Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to create Undraw account in 2023. So guys, this is very simple process. Everyone can do it very easily. So guys, first we tap on Chrome browser and search Undraw and tap on Undraw. Tap on browser and I am open my desktop site and tap on browser now and select your favorite. And tap on access through Stripe and you can add your email and debit card and country etc and you will create your account in Undraw. And guys, I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you. So guys, please subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment and below. And don't forget to press the bell icon for new videos update. Bye bye, take care.